Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of our newest listing at 6704 Camino Blanco. This is a great townhome located in the Picacho Hills area. The home sits right on Picacho Hills Golf Course, sits right off of hole number 1. You have great views of Picacho Peak and the golf course. The home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. There's 2 living areas. Again, great views out of the living room area. The home does have solar as well. It's 2191 square feet. Come on in, let's take a look around. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 6704 Camino Blanco. Incredible townhome here in Picacho Hills, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2191 square feet, has solar. This incredible backdrop for your backyard, living room views. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandlascruces.com. Thanks. Have a great day.